jumping and tripping up for the same shit, same hit, same click, bang, rearrange shit. I'm here to make some history. No, there ain't no bitch me. I'm serving up motherfuckers like they was eating Applebee's. Cash on me, I'd rather be the one on top. And the beat go dumb and the body straight drop. And she bringing it back as I'm laying the flat. She be forgetting her past, but she remember the cash. Just lose it, go stupid. That sex for cash, you can't do it. Cause I'm the teacher and you're a student. Why keep playing the game when you lose it? Saying that they talk is cheap, so just prove it. When you wanna fuck with me and my crew. Cause along with that, I got a way to think I might just lose it. Shoot it, cruise it, never been fooled. The type to turn up, the type to burn up. The type of people that you need to learn from. And if you fake, then you don't really deserve this. Anything that you be doing doesn't need a concern. I'ma keep on living life cause I'm a positive person. Keep on living a lie, it'll eventually surface. Ain't a cut on my location, showing nobody mercy. Telling me that I'm looking like a motherfucking suspect. Better trust that, where the drugs at. Forgot it, I ain't really scared to flush that. Got a bus pack, need a chance so quick. Only thing I see is dust tracks. Tell a bust out, where your cups at, where the perks at, where the perks at. Have a heart attack, I done brought it back. Feed them motherfuckers looking for a burn a sack. Burn a sack, burn a beat, better fill them up in the heat. Claiming the streets, it's like a filthy disease. They try to give it to me, I can't fake the lead. Man, I was built for this. And if he coming against me, you better read my lips. You better check his six, I better sneak the grip. I bet I got the wits to outdo you. Bet I got the brains to come and out school you. I done flew way too high to be a loser. I don't plan on coming down or working in the suits. I done made this music and I started up a movement. You say it's about the money, then why you looking so clueless? I'ma make it all with the shit I be introducing. A new rap game, I told them that I would do this. Body on my flow, let me see you get low. I wanna see you drop it down to the ground tonight. Make this a show. This is our life, this is our home, and we be here to burn it down until the motherfucker's gone. You wanna fly? Then baby come get high. I could guarantee that this bitch would always be down to ride. I ain't worried about the shit that makes me zone. And if you got a problem, you can take it home. I'm a leader in the shit and I can feel it in my bones. I'ma grind up until they put me underneath. I'm a stone, I'ma die straight ballin'. Take my losses, put her in the back of the Lexus and straight toss it. Knowing that a pussy is dripping just like a faucet. Turn around and beat it and treat it just like a gold. Never been cautious, no thought process. Act on impulse, that's my logic. Everybody trying to change the motherfucking topic. Acting like you can stop, it's better to get it poppin'. Try to flip me a bowl of the dirty shit I be copping. Money be flowing through like I ain't got no other projects. Money be motivating, I just need a bunch of profit. Try to come knock me off it if you in the cockpit. Opening up a lace like a motherfucking locksmith. Said I was a loser till I made it on the hot list. I don't need a woman that be all up on the dot shit. You can fly coach on me, I'll be in the cockpit. Wanna ride inside the whip, she knows I want inside of it. I feel like she is good for me, but she wants a relationship. I just need to tell her that this is something I need to do. And if that doesn't work, then I will probably say it was you. I don't need an attachment, I ain't even afraid to cut you loose. And that is what would happen, cause I need to keep my focus smooth. There ain't no resisting you, I'm here to be the living proof that all my homies from the trap will have someone they can salute. Body on my flow, let me see you get low. I wanna see you drop it down to the ground tonight. Make this a show. This is our life, this is our home, and we be here to burn it down until the motherfucker's gone. You wanna fly? Then baby come get high. I could guarantee that this bitch would always be down to ride.